Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to study different models of efforts and cost. We are going to study different models of efforts and cost. So there are two models for effort estimation. First is cost model and second is constraint model. अगर आपको एफ़र्ट कितने लगे वो एस्टिमेट करना है तो दो मॉडल्स के यूज़ करके हम एफ़र्ट एस्टिमेशन निकाल सकते हैं. वो मॉडल से आपके कॉस्ट मॉडल एंड कंस्ट्रेंट मॉडल. Now what is cost model? Cost model provides the direct estimation of the efforts or duration. Most cost models are based on empirical data reflection, factors that contribute to overall cost. These models have one primary input, usually the measure of product size, and the number of secondary adjustment factors, that is cost drivers. So product size is nothing but the number of input or primary input, or we can say length of the product, length of this program, and the second is cost drivers, that is the adjustment factor. So what is cost drivers? Cost drivers are the characteristics of the project, process, product or resources that expected to influence efforts and duration in some way. So cost drivers are nothing but some of the characteristics of the project that may expect to influence the efforts and duration in some way. तो यहाँ पे जो साइज़ है, साइज़ इज़ द प्राइमरी इनपुट, कि उसके हिसाब से आपको कॉस्ट डिसाइड करनी है. और कुछ पैरामीटर्स रहते हैं जो आपके कॉस्ट ड्राइवर्स कहलाते हैं, वो भी आपके कॉस्ट क्या और या एफ़र्ट जो है या ड्यूरेशन है उसको अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसे जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है आपकी प्रोजेक्ट की जो इनडायरेक्टली आपके एफ़र्ट्स पे इन्फ्लुएंस करती है, उसको बोला जाता है कॉस्ट ड्राइवर्स. अनदर मॉडल इज़ कंस्ट्रेंट मॉडल. Constraint model demonstrates the relationship over time between two or more parameters of efforts, duration or staffing level. The Rayleigh curve is used as a constraint model in several commercial products. So we will see what is the Rayleigh curve. So this is the Rayleigh curve. On x-axis there is time and on y-axis there is percentage of total efforts. Percentage of total efforts. So time versus percentage of total efforts. तो ये जो रिले कर्व है ये आपको दिखाती है कंस्ट्रेंट मॉडल. तो टाइम के हिसाब से आपको किस तरीके से एफर्ट्स लगेंगे. सो इनिशियली व्हेन टाइम इज़ लेस योर एफर्ट शुड बी ऑल्सो लेस, बट एज टाइम गोज इट एफर्ट्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. बट एट द लास्ट स्टेज वी आर सीइंग the time gradually increases but efforts is also time is increasing but effort is actually reducing. So this is the Rayleigh curve, and this Rayleigh curve is used to show the constraint model, or Rayleigh curve is used as a constraint model in several commercial products. So for example, if you want to show the constraint model, how you will show the constraint model? If you draw the Rayleigh curve, then that Rayleigh curve shows that the relationship over time between two or more parameters of efforts, duration or staffing level. So thank you for listening.